Hey, how you doing there? My name is Leo Arona. I own a local web development SEO company here in Madisonville, Kentucky, Arona Marketing. And the reason I'm reaching out today is to give you a free website audit, just to go over a couple things with you on things that you can do yourself to apply to your website so you can outrank your competitors and be number one on that map listing. Because at the end of the day, most people that's searching for a HVAC, heating and air, a plumber, anything, they're usually clicking on the first name on that list because they feel like it's the most trusted by Google. And in some instances, that's true. So what I wanted to do is go over your site and one of your competitors. I know you're probably wondering why I'm doing this and what's the catch. There is no catch. One, I like helping local businesses, and two, I like to educate these businesses and show them things that they can do to outrank their competition. Um, the reason a lot of people I've worked with, the smaller business owner clients, are too busy with their customers or too busy with their employees, and I totally understand that. Um, and I know they don't have time to do it themselves, and they usually don't hire no one because they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So what I wanted to do is show you a few things that I know that can help your website out, and you can apply these changes today, and you can start seeing results in the near future. Because the SEO process takes a little time to get in there and to get settled in and let the Google come crawl your site, identify things in your site, push it to the top. So first thing I want to go over is your website. As you see, I've got you pulled up here. And one thing I love about your website is the call today. I mean, it beams at you. As soon as you click on this site, it's the first thing that you notice. Every website that I build for my clients, the call today, the form, everything is right up top for the customer to fill it out and to hurry up and get their services. Most of the time, if a client needs services from you, they are not going to sit here and read your content on your site. They're coming here to look for a phone number. And I've had clients that has lost so much business because the phone number or the card for requesting service is down in the content, and the people don't have time to look around and go through and scour the site and look for it, so they go on to the next one. So I love that you've got that up here at the very top. You've got your request service up here. I love the logo. But what I do notice about your site is there's not a lot of content on here. And with Google, they like to see 1,500 to 2,000 words. And in Google's eyes, that is ideal. And I've got a word counter tool right here. It shows you have 327. That's kind of a long way off from the target number of 1,500 words. And your competitor, your number one competitor, Hopkins County Heating and Air, they've got a little more than you do. They're at 475, so they don't have a lot more, about 150 more words. But the thing about their site is it looks like kind of like an ad site. It just looks spammy to me. There's not a lot going on here, and there's too much going on here. Some of these services could be combined and bunched together, compared to yours. What I love about yours is you got your everything is sorted into groups, and I love that. I'm very big into sorting into groups so your customers can identify the services that they need. And essentially, all these will be pages. So that is 8 different pages that you'll need right here. So the home page, Google wants to see 1,500 to 2,000, and your back pages, they like to see between 5 to 750 words. So content is king. Content does a lot when it comes to ranking your site. I also want to show you something else. You are actually number 3 in the map pack. So the map pack is usually, people don't even go past the map pack. Google did a statistics, this statistics in 2018, and 74% of America uses Google every day for searches, and 67% of those don't even go past the first page. So this top map pack section is important. It is very important to my customers. And they are just ecstatic when they get pushed up into that map pack, especially when they wasn't in there. So I want to take you to a tool that I use real quick, and let you know a couple things in here that is a difference and the factor why you are not at the top of the ranking. So UR is kind of like the power of your site. It's how strong your site is. It's how much your site is compatible with other sites. You have no data here yet, so there's just not enough power coming to your site. The DR just means trust, and this is out of 100. So you have no data for the UR 1.1 on the DR. Now, Hopkins County Heat and Air has 15 out of 100. So their power is a little bit more, and you are actually doing more than them with the trust of the site. So your site is more trusted. And that leads me to the next thing is backlinks. They've got 100 backlinks. You've got 39. That tells me with them not having any trust that the backlinks that they use are spammy. They don't have any power. They get sites from, just for an example, they've got a backlink, and a backlink is their URLs in another person's site. So if they went to Pizza Hut and left a comment and put their site in there, that would be why they have a backlink, but they have no trust. So what we do is we will go to other heating and air blogs and get a backlink there. We will go to trusted sites that has high DR, more in the 80s and 90s. And then once we put a backlink there, send it back to your page, it gives you a lot more power. So referring domains 15, they have 18. That just means that there's 18 domains out there that has their link in it, and you have 15. The good thing about the services that I provide is not only can we beat your competition, we can mimic and beat your competition. So what this tool does, it shows where they get all their backlinks from. And again, some of the sites that they use are more spammy sites that doesn't have a lot of trust and things. Here's a 3 and a 5. So they're getting links, and there's more pages of it. They're getting links from trusted, non-trusted sites. This looks like it's something on their site that they kind of referred back to themselves. And then they have citations in here as well. Citations simply is name, address, phone number, also known as NAP. As you see, they got yellow pages here. You can go to yellow pages, Yelp, Yext, white pages, things like that. Anywhere that you can stuff in your name, address, and phone number, that will give you a citation. So we've got content, it needs to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, and we have backlinks. And again, what we can do is go in and see all the backlinks they have, mimic those, and then go over and beyond what they have. And that's what I do. I do not like to barely outrank your competitor. I like to blow them out of the water where they don't even want to even spend the time or money to try to outrank you again. They'll be fine with number 2, 3, or being further down the list. Because if they've got 475 words in their content, we're going to go for 2,000. If they've got 10 pictures, we're going to go for 25. If they've got 100 backlinks, we're going to go for 200 backlinks. And at the end of the day, that's my goal, is to help you push your business higher up on the Google rank so you can draw in more customers and generate more business. Now, citations is the last thing, like I said, that you can go to Yelp, Yext, yellow pages, white pages, things like that. Put your address, your phone number, name, address, phone number in those sites, and they will refer back to you. So content, backlinks, citation. Those are 3 things that you can start doing today on your website. Now, this doesn't happen. You can't put this on here today and tomorrow it'll start out ranking. Google randomly scours through these sites every single day, and they start to rank gradually. Another thing is keywords. We stuff keywords into your content. That way I know what people in Madisonville are searching. So if they're searching best HVAC Madisonville, Kentucky, and that's a powerful keyword phrase, then that's what I will put in your content, and we will stuff it in there. That way, whenever someone searches HVAC, Google identifies that word and knows it's on your page, and they push it up to the top. Again, I know you're super busy, don't want to take up any more of your time. My name is Leo Arona over here at Arona Marketing. Feel free to respond to this email or give me a call at 270-841-3600. My email is leo@aronamarketing.com. Have a good day.